Hey everybody, what's up? It's Andrew, and if you've been using the prospecting tool lately, you've probably noticed a couple of really big improvements to the UI of the prospecting tool itself, and I'm going to be going over two of them today. Namely, we're going to be talking about the grading feature and the navigation sidebar within the prospecting tool itself. They're both super big improvements, so let me show you exactly how it works. Now, we're all familiar with the prospecting tool. We are going to be on the agency view within prospecting. Whenever we go into any of our sub accounts, we've always been able to see this show report button on the right-hand side, where we can actually check out the prospecting tool's marketing report feature really easily. If we click this, then we'll get access to our marketing audit report. And I'm going to be going over two of the biggest improvements that we've ever had to the prospecting tool, in my opinion. And they're available on this screen, as well as the share report screen within the actual link itself that you can share with your prospects. And those two big features are going to be grading and our navigation sidebar. So you can already see both of those features. Grading is these little percentages that are by every single different part of the marketing audit that we are actually using. And as you can see, the navigation sidebar is exactly what I'm hovering over right here. So within this navigation sidebar, we can click to access different sections of the marketing report, going between overall score, business details, tech stack, listings, reviews, and SEO. And each of these sections is going to get an individual grade that's going to be shown not only here at the side of the section itself, but also at the top of each section next to the title of it. So we can see under tech stack analysis, under listings, and so on. Now you can see on our audit report, we are on the link itself that we can share with this prospect. We're also going to see these in our agency view under the prospecting section, under the report. We can see the same sort of user interface along with all of these grades and this really awesome navigation that makes it super easy for us and our prospects to navigate their marketing audits efficiently. This makes it really easy for us to show our prospects where they're struggling, how we can help them, and it helps us close more deals. So I'm super excited to get to use this more within the prospecting tool and to let you guys use it more as well. If you have any questions about these new updates to the prospecting tool and the marketing audit report, then leave a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching.